Hello friends, once again welcome back. Today I am going to share most important developmental program which is related to extension education and new act which is recent one as well pre-independence and post-independent developmental program. A new act is initiated, that is Model Contract Farming Act during 2018. Govardhan Yojana, that is galvanizing organic bio-agro resources, announced in budget 2018-19 by Arun Jaitley. Another one is ARYA, that is attracting and retaining youth in agriculture, started during March 2017. This is started by the Krishi Vigyan Kendra, mostly for the unemployed rural youth, to engage them with agriculture. Farmer First, full form of first is Farmers Farm, Innovation, Resources, Science and Technology. Another one is Student Ready, Rural Entrepreneurship Awareness Development Yojana, which is now recommended by the 5th Din Committee, mostly for 4th year student of agriculture as a Rabi program. Zero Hunger program, which is started during 16 October 2017. ENAM, now these days many questions asked from the ENAM, that is National Agriculture Marketing, started during 14 April 2016. Next one is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, 1st May 2016 at Balia, Uttar Pradesh. Another one is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, started during 14th January 2016. This is most important. And some premium is paid firstly, that is 2% for Kharif crops, 1.5% for Rabi and 5% premium for horticultural crops. Another one is Soil Health Card, 19th February 2015. 19th February date is most important. Another one is Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana, that is PKVY, April 2015. Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana is mostly this program is mostly used as a support for organic farming, which is started during 1st July 2015. DD Kisan channel is recently launched by our Prime Minister, that is 26 May 2015. Another one is PMKSY, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, that is Har Khet Ko Pani and More Crop Per Drop. Another one is MIDH. MIDH means Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture, which is started during 2014, and it initiate a project, that is Chaman. Question may be asked that Chaman is related to. So firstly click on the horticulture. The full form of Chaman is Coordinated Horticulture Assessment and Management Using Geoinformatics. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, 2nd October 2014. Now I am going to share some most important developmental program. Rural Reconstruction Scheme and Model Village. This scheme is started by the Daniel Hamilton during 1903. Another one is Cooperative Movement by Nicholson, 1904. Sri Niketan by Rabindranath Tagore and K. Leonard, and Shanti Niketan by M.D. Tagore. So something different, don't confuse in Sri Niketan and Shanti Niketan. Gurgaon project by F.L. Bryan, he is a deputy commissioner and he started at Punjab 1920, and right now that place is right now at Haryana. Marthandam project by Spencer H. at Kerala during 1921. In extension education, some year are confusing, so most appropriate in 1921, but somewhere 1927 is also mentioned. And this program, Marthandam program project, is started or supported under YMCA, that is Young Men Christian Association. So question may be asked that YMCA supporting program is the right answer is Marthandam project. Seva Gram by also known as Gandhi Constructive Program, which is started during 1927-28, most appropriate at Wardha, Maharashtra, for the upliftment of rural privileged people. Neelokheri project, or also known as Refugee Rehabilitation Project by S.K. Day during 1943. Somewhere 1948 is also mentioned, so most appropriate is 1943. to develop a new town as a Mazdoor Manzil. So question may be asked that Mazdoor Manzil related to. Right answer is Nilokhairi project. Firqa development by Madras government and main role play by the T. Prakashan during 1947. Firqa means a group of 5 to 50 villages. Another one is Etawah pilot project, which is major role played by the Albert Mayer during 1948. Etawah is a place at Uttar Pradesh. Planning Commission year is important, that is 1950. Community development program. The term community came from the England and started during 2nd October 1952. And this program is started during first 5-year plan. Next, National Extension Services, that is started also 2nd October 1953. National Extension Service also provides some fund to the people. Family Planning Program 1956. NAFED is commonly asked in exam. What is the year of NAFED? That is 2nd October 1958. National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation. Another one is Panchayati Raj, that is 1958-59. And under the recommendation of Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, firstly started at Nagaur, Rajasthan, and inaugurated by Jawaharlal Nehru. It is 3-tier system. 3-tier means district level, block, then village, and based on the democratic decentralization. IADP, that is Intensive Agricultural District Program 1960. It is also known as package program. So clear that package program is related to, that is IADP. IARP means Intensive Agriculture Area Program, March 1964. High Yielding Variety Program, commonly asked in exam, that is what is the year, that is 1966, for self-sufficiency in food. National Commission on Agriculture, that is 1970. This question asked in JRF 2018 on the computer based exam. What is the year for National Commission on Agriculture? That is 1970. DADP, that is Drought Prone Area Program 1973-74 by Professor C.H. Hanumantha Rao Committee. Another one is CADP, that is Command Area Developmental Program 1974-75. T&V system, that is Training and Visit System. This is started by the Israeli expert Daniel Benor. And T&V system is also known as Reformed Extension or Intensive Agricultural Extension. And in India, first work started at Rajasthan Karnal area and Chambal area of MP. What is the important question from the KVK? KVK means Krishi Vigyan Kendra, or you can say Farm Science Center, started in 1974 under recommendation of Mohan Singh Mehta Committee. Firstly started at Pondicherry under Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, and KVK is 100% funded by ICAR and regulated by Atari. Till date, total number of KVK is 706, and the credit for success of KVK goes to Chandrika Prasad. Another one question is asked from the bank, that is Rural Regional Bank or Grameen Bank establishment is 2nd October 1975. TRISEM means Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment during 1979. YFA, Young Farmer Association by A.B. Graham, and in India by Deshmukh. The 4H explained it as heart, head, hand and health. This question is asked in BHU, that what is the means of 4H, that is heart, head, hand and health. And Indian Constant of Young Farmer Association, which is regulated by Deshmukh, and a magazine is published, that is Rural Youth. Another one is Johar Rozgar Yojana 1979. Lab to Land program launched on the occasion of ICAR Golden Jubilee in July 1979. NARP, National Agriculture Research Project 1980. IRDP, Integrated Rural Development Program, 2nd October 1980. Some question asked from NABARD, that is the year, that is 12 July 1982. The chairman of NABARD, under which their setup is initiated by Mr. Shivarman Committee, and present chairman of NABARD is Dr. Harsh Kumar Bhanwala. Another one is Atma, most important question from Atma, that is Agriculture Technology Management Agency. So there are somewhere it is mentioned as it started during 1995 and 1999, but 1999 is most appropriate, which is centrally sponsored scheme, and this is district level program. This question is also important, that Atma is a district level program. NATP, National Agriculture Technology Project, 1998 year is most important. Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, 1999, which is lead role play by the Professor S.R. Hasim. Agri Clinic and Agri Business Center started during 2002, and the toll free number is 1800-425-1556. Kisan Call Center, this is the very good initiative of for the farmers. It started during 21st January 2004, and the toll free number is 1800-180-1551. Another one is Farmer Call Center. Farmer Call Center is especially launched only for the Andhra Pradesh farmers, which is launched during 1 July 2003, just before Kisan Call Center. Farmer Call Center is only for the Andhra Pradesh farmers, and the toll free number is 1100, that is 1100. National Commission on Farmers, that is 2004, and National Commission on Agriculture, that is 1970, which I discussed earlier. National Horticulture Mission, 2005. NREGA, 2005, and later it is named as MNREGA during 2006. NAIP, National Agriculture Innovation Project, 2006. National Agriculture Technology Project, National Agriculture Research Project, National Agriculture Innovation Project. Please clear that all three. Which one is during 1980, which one is during 2006. NFSM, National Food Security Mission, that is 2007, for enhancement of rice, wheat and pulses production. And this is after that A3P is also mentioned under the NFSM, that is Accelerated Pulses Production Program. So thank you friends, please like, share, comment. For any confusion, please text on the comment box. Thank you.